Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to go right ahead and revive this iPod that I have here. If you remember, basically, I did have this inside of my Jeep Wrangler, but unfortunately, it's like I said in that video, this has been with me for over a decade. And as you can see, basically, it's all cracked. You can see also the button has some damage there. And one more thing, you can actually see that the case is starting to open up. Right, so you can see there. So this is actually opening because of the battery. So the battery is actually expanding, or it's basically, yeah, it's expanding inside of this iPod. So nonetheless, I'm going to go right ahead and replace the battery. I'm going to also replace the faceplate as well as this little medium or middle button. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get started. Right here we have the iPod. I believe this is the iPod video. So yeah, once again, basically you can see the faceplate's all damaged. You can actually see this a little bit better. So this middle button is also damaged. That was actually me. I was actually, whenever I needed to reset it, I actually used a pair of keys to go right ahead and just press on the button. And I'm going to go ahead and explain why in a little bit once I open that up. And of course, replacing the battery. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this up. Actually, before I open this up, let me go right ahead and show you what I have here. So I do have a replacement faceplate right here. I do have the little button right here. And I think, yeah, okay. All right, so I got the button here. And we do have the battery. So I did check, and I did get the exact same part number for this one, which would, I don't know if it has it or not. No, it doesn't look like it has it on the battery, but nonetheless, this is the replacement battery. So let's go right ahead and open this up. There we go. So once you open this up, you actually see two cables coming out. So this one would be right here, would be for the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. Oh. Just going to pull that out. And then we have, all right, so we have the hard drive here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out. And we have this other ribbon that's connected to the logic board. So go ahead and take this out, and this just slides off. I believe, let's see. So now that I got this off, I'm just gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect also the hard drive. So I think it's the same thing. Just gonna go ahead and lift this up. There it is, and there we go. So there it is. Okay. So going back to this, so as you can see, basically the battery is expanding. So I'm gonna go right ahead and just take this out. There we go. So there it is. I'm gonna go right ahead and might as well just basically replace the battery first. So I'll go right ahead and do that. So the battery was, let's see, it was something like this. So I guess I'm just gonna go right ahead and actually now that I'm looking at it, I don't know, it's because it's expanded, but yeah, it's like the difference between the two batteries. Yeah. So nonetheless, alrighty. So let's see, how am I gonna do this? Let me see if I could go ahead and get some tape here. Alright, so I got some of the tape. Just gonna go right ahead and put this here. There you go. That battery is not going anywhere. Okay, so the battery's done. Let's go right ahead and take the faceplate off. So from my understanding, we're gonna go right ahead and take these little screws off. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, and I believe there's 1, 2, and 3 more to go there. So I don't know if we're gonna have to take the display off. I'm gonna hold off. Let's go ahead and just take those screws out. All right, there it is. Okay, so we got that out. Let's see if I remember exactly. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the faceplate out. So it just slides off. Let's see. I got some clips here. There it is. Okay, so there we go. So there's the faceplate gone. Okay. So going back to basically why the button is like that. So if you actually get this out, so you see there's a little rubber right here that over time, because I had it inside of my Jeep, it actually moved from being in the center. So as soon as it moved, and let's say it moved here, it couldn't really hit the button here. So whenever I would try to hit it, it wouldn't really, react. So what I had to do is, like I said, get some sort of key and then basically push it down to actually reset it. So that's why it's all damaged. So I did notice that this button does not have that little rubber. Let me see if I could get a better shot. Does not have that little rubber, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it from this one. It wasn't that hard. Just making it look hard. Okay, so there we go. Somewhat centralized there. So all right. So here, it does have little tabs. I don't know if you can see it right here, but it has one here, one in the side. So it has 4 of them. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and align it to the back. And there it is. So all of them are there. Okay, so here I'm just gonna flip this. Oh, did I? No, it's still good. Okay, so that's time for the faceplate. So let's go ahead and do the peel. And let's see, how am I gonna do this? There we go. Peel that out. All right, let's see if I don't mess this up. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to fall in. There we go. Oh no, the button. So as you can see, basically the button is lowered. All right, so there we go. There we go. Okay, finally slipped in. All right, well, let me go right ahead and make sure everything's clipped. Screw this back together. There we go. Okay, so the faceplate is on. Buttons are working, which is good. So let's go right ahead and connect. What do I want to connect first? I'll connect the logic board first. There we go. Finally slipped in. So just gonna go ahead and lock this. There it is. Okay, so that's good. Go right ahead and connect the hard drive. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Let's see how this one's gonna be. Okay, there we go. Score. Let's go ahead and place it in there correctly. Get the power. Go ahead and gonna go right ahead and slide it in there. There it is. Power is connected. Everything's good. Let's go ahead and close this up. Let's see. There we go. There it is. So that is battery replacement plus replacement for the faceplate as well as for the button. So let me go right ahead and get a charger and see what we got. Oh, actually, you can probably even see it right there. You see the Apple logo. There it is. So let's see what happens. Let's see what we get. All right. Okay, so we have the iPhone. There we go. Make sure that's working. There we go. So button's working once again. Settings. Perfect. All right, well, let me go right ahead and plug in my headbuds and let's go right ahead and do a shuffle, see if it works. Yep, it is back to life. There we go. So audio is working, looks way better. You know, I mean, you know, still this, you know, the menu wheel, still, I mean, it's still all scratched up, but I mean, that's fine. I mean, it wasn't that bad. It was more the faceplate. I mean, you know, what is it? You know, kind of before and after, you know, type of look. So nonetheless, I like the way this came out. So yeah, I mean, you know, if you have an old iPod that you're wondering, is, you know what, it's like, might as well, you know, go right ahead and, you know, change the faceplate, or, you know, do some changes on it. I mean, I got all these parts, I want to say, for maybe $20. Like I said, I mean, the faceplate came out to like $10. I think the battery came out to I can't recall if it was $5 to $10. I would have to check. I'll go right ahead and put the prices down below. But nonetheless, there we go. That is the end of this video. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And like always, we'll catch you on the next one.